Sponsor is 2-cut butcher knives. I'm going to weld this pillar. I did cleaning to the surface and FISA angle, so the welding will be very strong inside the material as one unit, because they had a missing part. I'm going to do same like this. This is not my welding. I'm going to do same like this, similar, but down below. This is called root welding. It is ugly because the coating of the electrode is some kind of fibers from the straw or the feathers of the chickens. I will weld this in here also. This is after Arab persons, worker, work here nearby me. This is after grinding little and scraping the slabs. Before was 2.5, 1610. Now is 3 millimeter and a quarter, 1610. This is after 80 grit. I will weld another one. This looks better because here I grind it after welding 1610, 1613.